So setting up QuickBooks, you're going to go with the Plus account. I'm pretty sure that I'm 99% sure that this will be sufficient. I always like going with the lower tier and then upgrading if necessary. So we're going to try the this Plus option here, and I'm just doing a trial so I can demo this for you guys. So I'm going to click that, and we're going to continue without payroll. And then I'm going to go ahead and log into my existing account. And so I'm creating a brand new one here. We're going to create a new company, and this is going to be called, let's get your billing info in here. I'm just going to do PayPal to make this faster and easier. All right, then we're going to put in the company address. And I'm going to continue with the trial. Get started. What's your business? Boolean painting. I'm going to say new. And whatever, picking that. All right, then nail the basics. Let's go ahead and the rest after that. Let's do gonna skip all the payment stuff. Not right now. Skip for now. Skip for now. Skip for now. Okay. And then once this is all set up, and you could follow through each one of those if you want. I'm just trying to get to the account setup and all that. And I'll continue in the next video.